Okay, now we will see our project demonstration. First of all, we see our full project, then we are actually go through our code as well. Now we run our project, and after running our project, we actually visit our localhost prod 8080. Then um, our project is running fully. Then now I'm visiting our project by the localhost 8080, and our project is now running. This is our home page of our project, and home page is look like that. And also here we see some page navigation, learning, quiz, IQ, about, and contact. Without login, we can visit our home page, about page, and contact page. Now I visit about page. This is our about page, look like this. And also contact page, this is our contact page, me, Mehdi Hassan, and Rashidul Alam. And if we go to home page again, and after sign in, if here we are actually new, then we have to create an account for sign up. Now we are actually sign up page. Mehdi this is my username, and if there is like this name of the user is exist of our database, then it actually show us a error. Now I actually fully new name and the password as well, ABC, and my account is actually created. If we go to our database and then user, here we see that the Mehdi2 and password is actually encrypted password and a role as a user. Okay, and then login as Mehdi as a user, Mehdi2, and also password. After a login, we can visit a learning page, quiz page, and OTQ page. Now we can visit a learning page. Here this is our learning page, and you know that the autistic should cannot learn such a way we can teach them. That's why we are actually create this project, and they can learn easily. Now we can visit for learning color page. The data of our color page are actually fetched from REST API, and front end actually called the AJAX. Then we get the data of the color image. And now after learning the color, we can attempt quiz or back and home. Now we go to the quiz page. Here, this is our quiz page. Here, after learning the color, we can attempt as a quiz, and here blue submit or red submit. If we submit, then it will actually show an error. Without any choice, we cannot submit. And green, yellow, and purple. Here is show the score of our quiz. If we go to puzzle, then here we see a one puzzle game, and it's actually interesting game. Now back to our home page. This is our OTQ project, and if after learning, we have to log out from our page so that we can actually visit as a admin. Log out, admin. If you are a admin, you have to log in as a admin, and password we have to give him the password. And after login, we see our admin page where we can add more item, and also the color, and also quiz. And suppose we want to add a quiz, Suppose we have to add the image for our quiz, and go Java teammate and quiz. Suppose we are actually want to assign quiz lake, right, in nose, and we have to give the option for our quiz test lake, and also um, um, say in the hand, and we have to select the answer for that, and this is answer lake, and we have to also give the point for our quiz test. This is successfully added. If we actually log out from here and check out the data actually updated or not, if we see that the uh, quiz page, then we will see that the updated on the database as a category 3. And also if we log in again to our page, Mehdi D2 and ABC, then we go to check our quiz is updated or not. Year, eye, face, here, finger, finger actually double, I guess, leg, also leg, such a way that we are actually added our quiz, and now we can delete as well as the admin. Now this is our code part, and we go to our code part here. This is our demonstration. If we go to our you know that our project actually follow the MVC pattern, controller, model, as well as view. We are actually using the JSP page for view. Here is the view, and if we go to the model, then controller, we will see that some controller actually responsible for serving the page, and also model here actually mapping the database table and the class of our Java. By the JPA we can actually mapping our model and the database table, and repository for JPA for read write and crowd operation basically. And also the service layer actually serve the content of our database table, and also the security, we actually ensure our web security here. Now if we go to our security page, web security configuration page, then we will see that here actually we are actually surfing without login page here, and if a user actually log in as a role as a user, then actually visit the user page here, and if actually log out, then all the session are actually closed, and we cannot actually without login cannot visit. uh, if we go to our controller page, here actually use the REST controller, and if a user actually visit the color page, we actually serve the learning page. If we here actually color as a category 1, when we are facing the data from our front end, and by the category actually face the data. Here is our code part, and also learning service, the learning model. Here actually we're mapping the database table and the class of our project, and learning repository for our JPM crowd operation. Here actually the interface actually implemented here as a repository, and also service page where actually we get all the data at a time when we call this function, and by ID as well as update the data, and also delete by the ID, the given ID data will be deleted. And if we go through a JSP page, here we see when the controller serve any data, we can show our JSP page as well. And when we actually learning the color, that time actually fetch the data of front end by Ajax. We are actually fetching all the data from Ajax and then serve our data from here. This is our actually the full code implementation as well as the visual representation of our project. Thank you. And we are actually uploaded this project on the GitHub, and you can see from here as well. Thank you.